Sometimes replacing a toilet seat sounds simple until you need one that actually works with your bidet attachment. Hi, I'm Emmy from Sandochka. My old toilet seat ended up breaking, and part of the problem was that it really wasn't compatible with the bidet attachment I already had installed. So when I started looking for a replacement, I wanted a round seat that would work better with that setup. I chose the LUXE TS1008R round toilet seat. And one of the features I was really interested in is the slow close lid. My previous seat didn't have that at all. I actually had a little sticker on the old lid that said close the lid as a reminder because you had to close it manually every single time. With this one, the idea is much more convenient. You give the lid a little push and the slow close mechanism lets it continue lowering gently on its own instead of dropping or slamming shut. It also has quick release hinges, which should make it easier to remove the seat when you need to clean around the toilet. The non-slip bumpers are another nice detail because they're designed to help keep the seat from shifting around. But the biggest reason I chose this model is that it's designed to work with LUXE Bidet attachments. After dealing with a seat that wasn't compatible before, that was really important to me. I'm excited to see how this setup works for everyday use. Thanks for watching. See you next time. I appreciate you being here with me. If you want to stick around for more, go ahead and subscribe and maybe leave a like or share if you feel like it. And if you want to check out the product, the link will be down in the description. See you in the next one.